In a bold pivot toward modern battlefield demands, the U.S. Army is investing over $107 million to dramatically enhance the resilience of its tracked combat vehicles against new-generation threats like drone surveillance and guided munitions. This comprehensive initiative, part of the fiscal year 2026 defense budget, marks a strategic evolution in how America prepares its heavy forces for high-intensity warfare. The modernization effort focuses on three integrated technologies designed to keep armored brigades hidden, protected, and alert. These include advanced stealth coatings, early warning laser detection systems, and upgraded armor packages capable of resisting attacks from above, a growing vulnerability due to the widespread use of loitering drones and top-attack missiles. Among the most innovative enhancements is the GM1912 signature management coating, which will be applied to more than 380 armored vehicles. This specially engineered paint minimizes thermal emissions, reducing visibility to enemy infrared sensors and thermal imaging-equipped drones. It's a key pillar of the Army's broader strategy to confuse, mislead, and ultimately neutralize enemy surveillance and targeting capabilities. To fortify vehicles against aerial threats, the Army will also deploy GM1914 top attack protection kits. These add-on armor modules are designed to shield the vehicle's upper surfaces, typically the weakest spots, from plunging munitions and overhead attacks. The Army has committed $91.7 million for this protection system alone, enough to outfit 4 full armored brigade combat teams. This allocation reflects growing concern over adversaries' increasing use of top-down attack methods in recent conflicts. The remaining funds in the Vehicle Protection Systems Initiative will support the deployment of laser warning receivers, highly sensitive detection systems that alert crews to incoming laser-guided threats, enabling evasive action or countermeasures. When combined with thermal suppression and top armor, these systems create a layered defense aimed at increasing both survivability and operational readiness. What sets this investment apart is not just its scale, but its timing. The Army allocated no money to these protection upgrades in the 2024 or 2025 budgets, underscoring how rapidly the threat landscape has shifted, and how urgently the Pentagon is responding. Although the procurement documents do not specify the defense contractors involved, General Dynamics Land Systems remains a key partner in tracked vehicle modernization, and is expected to play a major role in integrating these upgrades across the fleet. This modernization push reflects more than just battlefield tactics, it represents a philosophical shift. In an era where wars are fought in sensor-saturated environments with AI-guided drones and precision munitions, survivability is no longer just about armor thickness. It's about being unseen, unpredictable, and prepared. These enhancements won't only be vital overseas. According to Section 1815 of the FY 2008 National Defense Authorization Act, these upgrades also support homeland security roles and assist civil authorities during emergencies, a reminder that the front lines of modern conflict aren't always on foreign soil. The Army's investment signals a clear message to allies and adversaries alike. American armored forces are evolving to meet the dangers of tomorrow's war zones, one layer of protection at a time.